On Monday, the Ministries of Education and Indigenous Affairs and UNICEF held a conference during which the results of children dropping out of both primary and secondary schools were disclosed. It is a story of low attendance across the administrative regions of Guyana.
We want to reduce and eventually eliminate this problem. It is urgent and imperative that we have more comprehensive and more accurate data on the numbers who are out of school and the reasons that they are out of school. We recognize that some of the reasons may be due to socioeconomic problems. For example, can parents afford the transportation costs?
Minister Rupert Rupnarine. He added the focus is on several factors such as child labor, abuse, and poverty, which may deter a child from attending school.
In many cases, I suspect that we face a blend of these problems in our schools, and therefore requires careful analysis to ensure that we are able not only to prioritize the issues and problems, but also not to ignore it. It is also important for us to know what issues are most prevalent in which communities, among which groups, or which gender. We have to be very careful not to have one-size-fits-all solutions to multifaceted problems.
The rate of dropouts becomes higher from ages 14 and 15. That is, near to the end of compulsory schooling. Additionally, the initiative is to deal with the absenteeism within the regions, which leads to poor performance and eventually dropouts.
The hinterland, 5 regions, I think, have been below the average, way down in the academics. But we've seen through that region 4 and those other regions that are easily accessible to quality education.
Minister Sidney Alicock. Thus far, the survey revealed that the most satisfactory attendance rate is registered in Region 9 with a score of 74%. Minister Alicock stated that the issue in the interland communities deals with factors such as distant journey to an education facility and financial constraints. Reporting for HGP Nightly News, Ayana George.